Hello there guys, so yeah, it's been, well today it is Tuesday and the last time I was here was last Wednesday, but by the power of making a backlog of videos it's going to be 2 days for you. So anyway, today we are going to get all this bulkhead and primer bar that bit over that end, and yeah, hopefully get even close to getting that inner wing in. I want to get all the floor punch and everything. We might actually have to see about making this repair up for this toe board area. We'll have to see. What else? Oh yeah, I have some stuff to tell you about. So in the time of being away, we have got this. That is a 998 auto engine. Got that for free, so can't complain at that. Comes with a shifter and everything, although that is seized, but it's connected to the engine, so hopefully it's the shifter itself that's seized. We'll have to find out. So yeah, the engine turns over by hand. God damn it. Turns over by hand. Obviously not really got many ancillaries with it, but that is fine. I've got some spares. So that is, well, I originally wanted that for spares for Zippy, just in case, but I have some secret plans for that one. There is a select few people that know what the plans are. Please don't give that away. So yeah, we'll have to see if that actually comes to lighten up. So yeah, he also gave us the front subframe for it, which is this one here. Because the automatic subframes are slightly different to the manual one, so that was nice. So yeah, and two steel 12-inch wheels, just more to add to the pile, which has now moved, as you can see. We had a bit of a shuffle round in here. So yeah, cheers for that, in the unlikely event that the person that gave me that is watching, because yeah, that pretty good, that free engine. So yeah, you can see everything's moved a bit in here because my stack of wheels became too tall to go over there. So yeah, I have a feeling there was something else I was going to show you as well, but I don't know what. So I'm just going to have a wander. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, we'll say no. I raided the shed at home for my the paint that I had, and all of that now that's left in that box is all spray paint, apart from my copper grease and grinding paste. So yeah, I had a lot more than I thought. So there's some primer and stuff in there which we can use. Halfords grey primer, etch primer, that's a clear lacquer, gloss black, U-Pol, and then the rest just whatever. So yeah, bit extra paint for the car. So yeah, I think we'll actually crack on and do some stuff now. Oh, and here's some brake discs. Yeah, they're off Grandma's 2005 Mini 1 off the back. They were a bit crap, failed its MOT on them. So that was in here yesterday. That's why there's a big puddle down there. Screen wash leaked everywhere while I was fixing that. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's actually crack on and do some work to this today. So yeah, let's get on to the time lapse. Okay, so just remembered the other thing I was going to show you was I just had some ancillaries donated to me by the one and only James for this auto engine, so I can get it running, because well, I have a few bits but I didn't have everything I needed, and it's got quite a lot missing. So yeah, he had some bits and bobs to donate to me. And the second thing is yep, here we are again, Curious round 3. Probably my own fault really. I left it for 6 days without painting over or anything, and because obviously it was basically bare metal, it was just started to get surface rust again. So just had to wire wheel it down again and gear rust it again, and can't paint it till 6 o'clock now. So yeah, oh well, my fault. We can still get this inner wing offered up again, and get all the holes punched and drilled, etc., ready to go. So yep, we'll go grab the inner wing, offer it up, and see what we can do. Okay then guys, so I think I'm done for today. Bit of a short day really, but whatever, better than nothing. So we've so far drilled out some holes in this, certainly not finished by a long shot. Need to clean up this side because of all the burrs on it, because I drilled them from the other side. So what we did was bolted up the panel in place and got some screws in, pulled it all together tight, then just sprayed some yellow paint on it so I can see where I need to drill the holes. So yeah, done that. We've got that piece ready to go on hopefully next time. Plan to do that today, but it's getting a bit too late now. Let's see what we got done over here. I might actually finish before I go home. I'll finish this welding in a little square here because there was a circle. I'd drilled too far with the spot weld bit and sort of chewed that up a bit. So yeah, I'll finish that up off camera. That's okay. What else we got done? We've got the bulkhead here cleaned again, cuirassed again, and primed. And I think I might actually end up taking some of this primer off again because you can see some runs from the cuirassed. So yeah, oh well, it only takes 2 minutes to quickly whiz that back off where the runs are and slap a bit more primer on it. So yeah, there we go. That looks much better for all being one nice uniform colour though, compared to that sort of mess. So yeah, we'll just do one side at a time with this anyway. We're just going to leave that side, abandon it for now until the cross member's done and until that patch is sorted out and everything. Just leave that and do it all at once. So yeah, I'll say off camera I'll finish fixing that up. I think I just need to grind the welds back and build it up a tiny bit more at the top there where it blew through. And yeah, that'll do for today. So bit closer to getting that inner wing in. Oh, you can get turned off. Bit closer to getting that inner wing in now. It's nice to have some holes prepared, ready to weld through. So yeah, so we've got a few more to do yet, but yeah, it's a start anyway. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Thank you for watching. Like us on the Facebook page, subscribe, like the video, yada yada yada, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye for now.